Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add graphics to the script. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you can also go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the project and quick recordings. We have AI speakers and templates and the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have your profile and settings and all of those things, and the new project button also there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add graphics to the script. So firstly, launch the script and open the project where you want to add graphics. Then drag and drop the image or graphic file directly into your project. So basically go to a new project or wherever you want, and click on the graphic to select it. You can then drag it to the desired position on the canvas and resize it using the corner handles. If you want to animate the graphic, click on the animation button in the prompt panel and select from the available animation options. Use the properties panel on the right to adjust the appearance and behavior of the graphic, such as opacity, rotation, and more. These steps should help you easily integrate graphics into your video or audio projects on the script. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.